Hello, this is Sharonnaraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State in Claremont, Florida. And I am in my garden here. Look at all these peas. These are all pigeon peas, folks. This is all pigeon peas. See that? So I haven't come in my garden. It all takes over with bushes, the weeds. So I have to start cleaning it up and start planting again. Hmm. This is so yummy in the tummy. Hmm. See that it's blossoming. These are more peas here, pigeon peas. And of course, let me show you the banana. Look up there. See that? That's the banana. So, the banana tree. So folks, I'm out here in my backyard. And look at that. These are all fruits. It's starting to flower again. See the flower? It's cherry. Oh, look. Look at all the pigeon peas on the tree. See that, folks? Pigeon peas. And this is a flat bean. Hey, let me see if I can fit these here. Oh my, look at that. Let me get this out. There you got it. Oh my, I didn't. This is like the flat bean. Um, so folks, this is fun. I love gardening. This is real fun. This is a beautiful tree as well, a fruit tree. But you can see I have some flat bean up there, which I have to. Oh, the vine goes all the way up. See that? Oh, look at the fruit. See the fruit? Those are all cherries. Can't wait to taste them. And see the flat bean? Yes, folks. So at any rate, it is so much fun. Yes. Ah, folks, this is so much fun, when you can have your own home-based business. You can be out in your garden. You can do whatever stuff you need to do. Oh my gosh, look at all this. I have to pick all these. Okay. This is the dry. These are all dry, but they're still good. They're still good to cook. At any rate, folks, now here's the deal. Just want to let you know it is an awesome feeling that you can come out at any time. Be outside instead of me stuck in traffic. No way, Jose. It's not gonna happen anymore. So folks, reach out to me. I do have this mailing program that I am so thankful for. Even though, my husband, those of you know, my husband was sick. I just drop him off, to get dialysis. I'm taking care of my mom too as well. So folks, and I'm still, generating income. So you need to reach out to me 352-805-9846 352-805-9846 and reach out to me, talk to me, text me. Also, go to my website fastcashwithsharon.com, createwealthwithsharon.com. These are all mailing programs that anyone can do. Folks, once you choose which level and how much money you want to start make immediately, then choose that. Of course, you can upgrade as well. You will be getting the leads. It is great. Rose did a wonderful job. Even with cash in a box, you have a level there for everybody. Okay, there's no excuses. No excuse that you can't make money. No excuse, folks. All right, so reach out. Createwealthwithsharon.com. Createwealthwithsharon.com. And you can see there, they are doing construction work. I mean, look at that. So, folks, Create wealth with Sharon.com. Reach out to me. Take care, okay? Let me go ahead. I'm gonna try to pick these beans here. See what I can do. All right, take care. Peace out, Sharon Rain. Bye bye.